Today, you'll be learning how to thread a bobbin. Remember that the bobbin will go on the bottom of the sewing machine while the spool is on the top. I've already went ahead and actually threaded the top portion of the sewing machine with a red thread. And now I'm going to use the bobbin case by flipping it over so the open end is facing up. Now I'm going to make sure my bobbin looks like the letter P, so the thread is over on the left-hand side. And I'm going to drop my bobbin into my bobbin case. Next, I'm going to make sure that my thread is in the proper position. So at the top here on my bobbin case, there's a small cut within the bobbin case. I'm going to bring my thread over to that small cutout and make sure that it's in place. Once it is there, I am then going to take my thread and pull it over into the large oval opening you see here now. So you just watch. I'm just pulling the thread gently over, and now the thread is actually coming out of that oval. To keep my bobbin, or to check my bobbin first, I'm going to pull my thread, and the bobbin is going to turn counterclockwise. That means it's going to be turning there to the left, like we're traveling back in time. Now, to keep my bobbin in the bobbin case, I'm going to lift up this lever, and that's going to lock my bobbin in place so that it won't fall out. If I let go of that, my bobbin will fall out, and I have to start all over. Now, I'm going to remove the bobbin case cover, and set that to the side, and I'm also going to lift up my sewing machine so that I can have better access to underneath the sewing machine. I'm going to place my bobbin case inside the machine. And notice here how the bobbin case is spinning around. We do not want it to spin around. Instead, we want it to stay in the same spot. So in order to do that, I'm going to make sure it clicks into place. And this part of the handle is going to fit right inside there. Now, it should not be able to move from side to side or spin. I'm just going to let the thread from the bobbin sit below. And I'm going to gently lower my machine down. Next, I'm going to grab the spool thread, which is the red thread for this video, in my left hand, and I'm turning the hand wheel towards me with my right hand. As my needle goes down, it's going to pick up my bobbin thread, and here you will see the red thread is crossing over the bobbin case. And as I continue to turn the hand wheel towards me, there will be a loop of blue thread, which is my bobbin thread. Now, to protect my fingers, I'm going to use my bobbin case cover. You can use a pair of scissors, a seam ripper, anything to help you move that thread over and away from the point of the needle. The last thing I'm going to do before I sew is I want to make sure both my threads are under the presser foot. So I'm going to bring my spool thread, which for our video is red, and I'm going to make sure it goes in between the two toes of the presser foot and sits below. That way my thread doesn't accidentally fall out of the eye of the needle, and I don't have to constantly put the thread back through the eye of the needle. Now all I have to do is make sure that my bobbin case cover gets placed back